Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock a Dodge Challenger PCM. First, understand that unlocking your PCM is essential for installing aftermarket performance parts, as it allows for custom tuning. You'll need specific diagnostic tools and software, often provided by a tuning company. Be aware that this process can void your warranty and carries a small risk of damaging the module if not done correctly. Always follow manufacturer guidelines. Before you begin, ensure your vehicle is off and cool. Safety is paramount, so disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery using a 10 mm wrench. Next, locate the PCM, which is typically found on the passenger side, often mounted near the airbox or inner fender. Have your tools ready, including a 10 mm socket and a small flathead screwdriver for clips. Now, carefully unclip and unplug all electrical connectors from the PCM. Take your time to avoid damaging any wires or plastic tabs. Once all connectors are detached, use your 10 mm socket to remove the mounting bolts that secure the PCM to its bracket. Gently lift the PCM out. Package the module securely in a sturdy box with adequate padding, ready for shipment to your chosen unlocking service. Once your PCM is unlocked and returned, reinstallation is straightforward. Simply reverse the removal process, secure the PCM with its mounting bolts, then carefully reattach all electrical connectors until they click into place. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Before starting, perform a quick visual check of all connections. Finally, start your engine and verify that all vehicle functions, including your new performance upgrades, are operating as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.